Mabon, fi'n mynd dyle bod ti ar ysgwydd efo na? Am y pas, ti mewn? Mae Ken Mars, Mab, ti ar y wing. Right, dyn am dyn, boys fan hyn. Johan, gwythio, Ethan, tynnu. Joseph ar y pêl. Right, cem we mewn, boys. Dyn tîm am on. Guard him in. Boys, whenever you're on guard on the kick.
A byddai modd i Ysgol y Derwen blwyddyn 9 a Ysgol Bryn Teg blwyddyn 9 fynd i cae 3, please. Ysgol y Derwen a Ysgol Bryn Teg blwyddyn 9 i cae 3.
Post, Mabon, post! Money, boys, simmer. Kick you up. Right, kick me away, boys, kick me. Help you on the tail.
Allai plîs atgoffa chi casglu unrhyw sbwriel chi gweld ar hyd y ceia tra bod chi yma heddiw a rhoi nhw mewn bagiau sbwriel. Mae bagiau sbwriel ar gael o'r man gwybodaeth os posech chi. Can I please remind everyone, please to collect any rubbish that you see on the fields during the day. There are bin bags available from the information desk. Thank you.
Right, Charles, one more. Sinead. Daniel. Here. Hold in. Pilly. Greedy fed. Can get him out. Now ni men, ni arna. We can all, Harry, ni angen ti'n llunau. Three, Vitan, three. Nice. He's there. Moving on. Three, go, Kayak. Slide, Tanir D. Ken, get it back, Ken!
Y gêm nesaf fydd yn digwydd ar cae y ddydd 1 am 20 munud wedi 5. Bydd gêm y plat derfynol blwyddyn 11 ac yn chwarae bydd Llangynwyd yn erbyn Bryn Gwyn. At 5:20 on pitch 1 will be the plate final game for year 11 boys, and it will be Llangynwyd against Bryn Gwyn. Ar cae 2 am 20 munud wedi 5, bydd Llandeilo yn erbyn Bwrw Gwaun, ac am 20 munud wedi 5 ar cae 3, bydd Yserwen yn erbyn Bryn Teg.
Right, now if you want to clear, get draw, we can. Steady all in. Hwre, pil ni. Dynion. Dynion.
Felly ar cae 1 ar 20 munud wedi 5, bydd Llangynnoedd yn erbyn Bryn Gwyn, blwyddyn 11. Ar cae 2, bydd blwyddyn 9, Llandeilo Ferwallt yn erbyn Bro Gwaun. Ac ar cae 3, bydd y Dderwen yn erbyn Bryn Teg, blwyddyn 9. Diolch.
Stop her pass. Yeah, Joe, can get it out. Mike Maru. Dynion, gweithio, gweithio.
Team number 4, green.
Dyna nhw. Ewch chi ole? Yeah. Gweithio!
Two trays apiece.
Yeah. Ah, 3-2.
He's already got in 40 pounds of the old money.
Right, boys, Pearly now. Barred him a kick. Decorator. Right, boys, ni'n derbyn. Boys, ni'n derbyn. Joseph, nhw'n kick o'i ni. Joe, ti ôl i si fel. No, 21. Right, Joe, ar y dig. No. Yeah, no one, he can catch. Right, Pearly now. Cadw'r Pear. Gwaith cael it off y Pear. Drive, yo. Drive. There, Josh. Dynion! Ping fel lan, Eve! Ken! Ti allan, Ethan!
Go on, Eve.
Symud yna! Da iawn! Ken gyda fe! Joseph, Ken gyda fe! Good! Ken lan, gweithio nôl! Ken after fe! Right, wynebu lan, ni angen y Pear. Dynion nawr, ni angen y Pear yma nhw. Right, Caleb boys, lan yn ni. Dim gwagle. Pwysau. Cefnogaeth boys, ni angen y Pear. Cadwch y Pear, cyrraedd os mae ar y llaw. Right, boys, un derbyn, pwy sy'n draw fan hyn? Ethan, tu ôl i Owen. Right, card mewn, cais boy mewn, cais fan hyn. Gweithio nôl, pawb tu ôl y Pear. sent it off. Josh Keely. Quick kick, quick kick, quick kick. Oh, stop. Quick, come on. Quick. Yeah. Hardy, push your marks now, Julio. Right, pin in the alley, El Fiola. Get it there, help me, Dill. Help me, Dylan. Three goals. Come in the field, guy out. Three on die. Go on. Quagle, Mamon, Quagle. Help me, Haley first. We can all of them peel, boys. We can get O'Brien a peel. Some of the peel. Some of that. Go there, Dill, go there. Now, no. Turn your right. 10. Post, Mamon, post. Post. Yo, Nathan, shoot, yo. Kick knee now, he should peel him off. Put it, boys, now in Arash, come on. Help you all the peel, mate, yo. Hardy. Kirioli, yo, PLC, Kirioli, yo. Can it peel, yo, can it peel.